For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Blockchain innovation is being proclaimed as the following large thing in various ventures. While the maximum capacity of this innovation is yet to be revealed, it is as of now evident that blockchain has the ability to reform the manner in which we carry on with work. Vechain is an organization utilizing blockchain to change the extravagance products industry. With an extraordinary experienced group and design titans as accomplices, it has proactively created truly a ruckus. On the off chance that you're keen on the venture's examination and the Vechain cost expectation, then, at that point, continue to peruse. Vechain is a blockchain stage that empowers organizations to fabricate decentralized applications, dApps, and manage exchanges with more noteworthy straightforwardness and security. With its blockchain-based arrangements, Vechain plans to address the difficulties of forging, inventory network the board, and information respectability. By permitting organizations to follow their items and resources on the blockchain, Vechain gives a sealed answer for organizations and improved straightforwardness for purchasers. What is Vechain Vet? Vechain is a conveyed record innovation, DLT, stage that spotlights on improving on-store network the executives. The framework uses a blend of Internet of Things, IoT, gadgets and blockchain innovation to give perceivability, discernibility, and genuineness for organizations and shoppers the same. The stage was intended to zero in on the issues of duplicating and extortion in the production network industry. By utilizing the Vechain blockchain stage, organizations can follow the provenance of their items and guarantee that they are certified. What's more, the stage can be utilized to follow the development of merchandise and data through the inventory network. Accordingly, organizations can acquire more prominent perceivability into their activities and work on their capacity to oversee risk. The Vechain blockchain stage gives a useful asset to organizations that need to follow the provenance of their items and guarantee their credibility. Maybe the most extraordinary part of Vechain is its foundation, which permits organizations to send off their own advanced tokens and raise supports through introductory coin contributions. This adaptability makes Vechain an alluring choice for organizations hoping to smooth out their stockpile chains and tap into the prospering universe of crypto resources. With its solid group of guides and accomplices, Vechain is strategically set up to proceed with its development in the years to come. Radiant Liu, ex-CIO of Louis Vuitton China, laid out the Vechain group in 2015. They have workplaces in Shanghai, Singapore, and Paris. The task is controlled by Vechain Foundation, a philanthropic established in Singapore in 2017. On the Vechain organization, there are two unmistakable tokens, Vechain Token, VET, beforehand VEN, and Vechain Thor Energy, VTHO. The previous is utilized as gas or energy to influence exchanges utilizing brilliant agreements, and the last option is used to send cash across the Vechain organization. Who possesses the Vechain crypto? The Vechain group was established in 2015 by Louis Vuitton China's previous CIO, Sunny Liu. They have workplaces in Shanghai, Singapore, and Paris. What was VET's record-breaking high? The Vechain cost history made some all-memories high of $8.2618 in January 2018. In those days, it utilized the VEN image. Vechain Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Vechain costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Vechain will be $0.035. The most extreme level that the VET cost can reach is $0.039. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.036. VET price forecast for September 2022. In view of the value changes of Vechain toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical VET pace of $0.033 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.030 and at $0.034, individually. October 2022, Vechain price forecast. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the VET cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.033, while the greatest could reach $0.036 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Vechain may be around $0.034. VET price forecast for November 2022. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value changes of Vechain in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal VET rate they foresee may be around $0.036 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.034 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.037. December 2022, Vechain price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the VET cost will be exchanged at $0.036 overall. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Vechain worth to $0.039. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.035 in December 2022. Vechain price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Vechain in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Vechain will be around $0.053. The greatest expected VET cost might be around $0.064. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.055 in 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Vechain, in 2024, VET is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $0.076 and $0.091, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.079. Vechain price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Vechain and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base VET cost could drop to 11 cents, while its greatest can reach 13 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 11 cents. Vechain price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Vechain by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least VET costs are normal in 2026, 19 cents and 16 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 17 cents. Vechain price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the changes of Vechain. In light of their expectations, the assessed